upline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, this is Ryan Bamba.
Yeah, alright.
Woo!
This is our group from Quezon Province.
Yeah! Woo!
Power!
Alright, woo!
Alright, upline Frederick from LA, fresh from LA. And 3 months up, this coming September, we will go to LA, Las Vegas.
Alright.
Yeah, alright.
We've been at LA.
So, upline, this is all the leaders from Quezon Group. We were we're very excited to see you. And this is Mama Mina, our APC.
Alright, woo! High five, yeah! Nice to meet you.
Grabe! Upline! Nanunosbrit ako dito. Ikaw na nanunosbrit dito. Wala akong masabi. Agile! You know, upline, I told you before, all the company, all the multi-level marketing company in the Quezon, they're very big. They have a very big problem.
How come?
Because Agile is coming to town! Upline, any message from our leaders? Any inspirational message or...
Inspirational?
Short message from all the leaders.
Short message, okay.
Yeah.
Hey, you only need 3 things to be successful and agile. You have to be excited.
Yes!
Excited. Can you get excited?
Yeah! Yeah!
Excited?
Yeah!
I'll throw out. We are agile. 1, 2, 3. We
Yeah!
Okay guys, picture taking with Upline Frederick. Bago tayo